Hello, Anandya ji. Good evening. I think so. You are on mute.
Very bad. Good
How are you,
evening.
sir?
Good late evening. I am amazing. How are you? How are you?
Yeah, thank you, sir. I am also good.
Very good. Great. Good to hear that. And how is your day so far?
Day was as usual. Nothing much. As
Okay.
usual, work routine.
Work routine. Okay. So how do you keep yourself energized when there is only routine? How do you keep yourself charged, Sudhir?
Charge.
Yeah, how do you keep yourself energized? How do you keep yourself charged so that you don't get bored doing the same kind of work?
No. Why I'm getting bored? Because uh, I have very lovely, beautiful life.
Okay, okay,
So each and every moment I will enjoying. And
okay.
when I and the evening session for you and with you, definitely I will lots of the enjoy. So I think so. There was no any boring task, and my work also very good
Hmm.
because I am an accountant. So definitely on daily basis doing some task and just uh, um, brainstorm something like that.
You mean you brainstorm? Okay. So what do you brainstorm, Sudhirji? I'm so curious to know what is that you generally brainstorm?
I just heard from brainstorm means sometimes of my senior they discussed in we need to brainstorm the thing out of the box or we or,
It is
or
interesting.
we or we need to just means I think so it is where we need to think as a critical situation or like that.
I'll tell you. I'll tell you.
Okay.
If your senior is saying, let's brainstorm, the brainstorm is nothing but where you are being creative. I mean, he's encouraging you all to be creative
Okay.
in terms of putting forward your ideas.
Okay.
For example, if there is something, a new concept or a new policy or a new process that is being, that is being implemented. So then you all are brainstorming to arrive at a solution.
Okay.
I think now you are able to connect.
Yes, of course.
And out of the box is also this is actually an idiom. Imagine a box. Okay, so easy. Our mind actually is being compared with that box.
Okay.
If you stay within the box, that means you will be doing conventional things only.
Okay.
A to B, B to C, C to D. Finish. Nothing else. So this idiom is actually used to express. See, I had told you, if you remember, the idiom when they are said, they do not mean anything when they are said actually, but their literal meaning is something else, right?
Yes.
So the out of the box means again something very creative. You have to think out of the box. Means when you are coming out of the box means you have stopped thinking conventionally.
Okay.
Now you are going beyond the box. You are exercising your brain, and your brain, if your brain is saying something, could be suggesting you a new idea, and that's how this out of the box thinking. I hope I explained you well,
Yes, of course, sir. Definitely, you have explained very well.
because your smile says so.
Yes, of course. I'm just thinking about my uh, progress, but let me check with you.
Okay,
Uh,
okay, okay. What sort of progress, sir? Tell me.
because not a progress, but yesterday I just because yesterday Sunday, right? So I just go through all the videos and
I
just
told you
find some
what I
and
went through.
Yes, went through some videos
Went through the videos. Yeah. Yes, sir.
and find some repetitive mistakes, and still I find I think so. I have started, but I still need lots of the effort.
Yeah. We all need efforts. I'll tell you something. It is good that it is good that you. I used to always tell you, watch the videos. You remember? So are you watching the videos? Are you watching the videos? I'm very happy that you have watched the videos.
But after watching the all the videos, I got upset some.
Don't get upset, sir. Don't get upset because you know there is one point in life, Sudhirji. I'm telling you, this is Anindya Babaji giving you gyan one more time. Okay,
Okay,
okay. So the gyan is very simple.
okay,
It could be in 50 years or 60 years. The wisdom of light has to strike any individual. For you, your work or your life or anything that you could say that came in your way. But yesterday was the opportune moment, finally, when you decided to sit and watch those videos and nothing to be upset. Be happy about it that you got that moment and you realized those mistakes. Now, from here, the corrective action should start. Sir,
okay. But
this is,
I
this is
but
the way.
I had sorry. Yes, yes. Continue.
No, no, it's okay. I'm saying this is the way that I look at life.
So yesterday I check it and find the conversation is good, but my grammar and the means sentences which I was told I couldn't make in proper manner.
Mhm, mhm.
Not proper manner means first floor, second floor, third floor, like this manner.
That was interesting. First floor, second floor, third floor, huh? Lovely. Okay, so it's like going one by one. Lovely. Very nice. It's okay. So the idea is that you don't stop, Sudhirji. Okay, you continue.
No,
And
no, I will never stop, but I will try to implement. But I will just checking with you. It is I am just going on correct way, or otherwise I need to do something and apart from that. So I will uh,
I
go
think
and
you are
yeah,
only spending time at Clapingo,
okay.
right?
Yes, yes, of course. Apart from that, I'm not giving any times to speak in English. I'm just for I can say take on training in my office only for in English also, but hardly I will just a conversation. It will from my side. It will maybe 10 or 20 minutes. That's it.
That's what. So, sir, Mr. Shukla, I'll give you $1 million idea today.
Okay.
And so when I come to Ahmedabad,
Okay.
so the return gift will be that I'm going to eat at your home. Okay.
Sure. Sure.
I'm going to eat a nice meal at your home.
Sure, sir. I will try to prepare it for you.
You are, I wanted to hear that actually. It is so sweet of you, so kind of you. Okay. The idea is very simple, sir. We'll not make it complicated.
Okay.
I want you to identify some good interviews which are 15 to 20 minutes in span. I mean, that's the duration. It should be not more than that.
Okay.
Maximum, maximum 20, 25 minutes, not beyond that, because otherwise it will be boring.
Okay.
Imagine I'm taking an interview.
Okay.
Uh, so there will be always a person who is asking the question, and there is always a person who is answering the question. Interviewer and interviewee, right?
Okay.
I want you to take up the role of interviewee.
Okay.
So for example, the video starts running and the question is, what do you think about the current economical fiscal deficit? Is the question. I'm just making up questions, random questions I'm making up. And then you start answering.
Okay.
But you will only answer after watching the video. So step number one, you will watch the.
So where I can watch this video on YouTube?
Yeah, absolutely. There are plenty of interviews. You pick up the interviews of Saurav Mukherjee, such a big man.
Okay, sure.
Right. He has got, multiple interviews to many channels. So pick up, watch, and Saurav speaks amazing English. Amazing. You've seen him, right? I want you to listen to that conversation, watch that, make your own notes. You have to work hard. Summarize those points. Step number one, the first question interviewer asked, pause. And now in place of Saurav Mukherjee, Mr. Sudhir Kumar Shukla will start speaking.
Okay.
Question, answer, question, answer. Once it gets over, remember, you are getting recorded, not here. And when you do this exercise, also keep your mobile video recorder on.
Okay.
And then I want you to play both the videos simultaneously and see where did you fall short.
Sure.
Keep doing it until you match completely with what the interview is saying. In the process, mistakes. In the process, you will not understand quite a number of things. I am here, sir, for you. Always, sir, available at your service.
Okay, sure, sir.
Do it for 6 months. Let me see how you don't speak. See the advantage you will get. When you talk like them, when you start emulating them, when you start copying someone, it is like the way you had learned your native tongue. Nobody taught you grammar, Sudhirji, in your native tongue. Have you understood, Sudhirji, what I'm trying to tell you, sir?
Yes, of course. I definitely understood. What are you trying to explain? And you have explained it very well. So definitely I will.
Yeah, it's a $1 billion strategy I've given you.
Yes, of course. Thank you so much. I will start. So I will just check it because for this week I have started work from office.
Okay.
So I will not give you a guarantee to start on this one, but Saturday I will start, and for next week I will work from home. So definitely I will do that because of the.
So whenever you can, that's what I'm trying to say. The idea is that it is completely up to you how you do it. I have given you this idea. Since you say that, is there anything else that I can do, right? And there is a channel which I'm going to write it in the chat box, Sudhirji.
Okay.
Every day, 15 minutes, start spending on that YouTube channel.
Okay.
Brush up your grammar skills.
This one is application.
Sir, this is a YouTube channel, sir.
Okay.
Learn English Lab.
I have just downloaded one application which you have suggested me.
6 minutes English.
Not 6 minute English. You have suggested me one news.
In shorts.
Yes, news short.
I had also suggested you 6 minute English. I had given you a live demo. Do you
Yes,
remember?
sorry. I forget them. Yes, of course you have given me. I have go through in only once. So I need to work on that also.
Please, sir, please. Yes, I have given you many resources, Sudhirji.
I have to just make my timetable very strict. Then after I will achieve my goal.
Definitely, definitely. I hope I was useful to you today.
Yes, of course, definitely you are very useful and from beginning to till date and for my entire journey.
You're sweet, very kind. Is there anything that you would like to ask me, Sudhirji? Anything
No,
that,
thank you for the day. Thank you so much.
and take care of yourself, sir,
Sure.
and see you soon.
Okay, sure. See you soon. Bye bye. Have a nice day.
You too, you
Good
too.
night.
Bye.